And I'm also the founder of my Tinnitus Club and our 12 weeks online tinnitus habituation program that will retrain the brain and help you to go from bothersome to non-bothersome tinnitus. But today we're actually talking about something that's also very dear. My personal journey with my hearing aid has been a very interesting one. And today we want to talk about when hearing aids actually do help for tinnitus, why they don't work for some people, and the real role they should play in your recovery journey, and why they need to be fitted properly with the right approach in order to really help and support you.